Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. Today I invite you to come shopping with me. Okay kids, I haven't been shopping since before lockdown, so the last time I was shopping was probably at the very beginning of March. I think it was the last massage I had at the very beginning of March, and then we had a call from our lovely masseur, Amy. She is wonderful, we love her, we have missed her a great deal, saying that she was allowed to start doing back massages once more. So we booked in, I went in first, hubby went in a few days after me, and I thought, as the spa is located in my favourite shop outside of London, then why don't I see what it's like in the shops after my massage? So that's what I did. So grab a cup of tea or a glass of vino if that's your thing. Sit back, enjoy my shopping vlog. Please do excuse any terrible shonky camera work or anything like that. It's the first time I've done it, so I wasn't entirely sure if I was doing things the right kind of way. You can let me know down below what you thought of it, please do. There may be a couple of questions for you as we go through, so do keep your eyes peeled for those. If there's anything that you want to know more about, then please do pop it in the comment section down below and answer my questions in the comment section down below. And if you do enjoy this first attempt at a shopping vlog from me, Gwenny, then please do give it the thumbs up love, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, don't miss out on my shenanigans, and as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, grab your shoppers and let's go. Well, first off, the massage was amazing. The experience was a little bit strange as well. Normally you just go down the stairs into the spa area, but it was all roped off, so she had to meet us at the top of the stairs and let us into the VIP area. So it was even like a silken rope like you would get at a VIP area in some dodgy club somewhere. On the whole, the shopping experience was okay, if a little bit strange. Most of the shops were pretty quiet. Most people were following all the rules. There was hand sanitizer available pretty much everywhere you went. Some shops were a little bit lax on keeping that topped up. H&M, I'm looking at you. On the whole, it was just base weird. What I did find interesting was the amount of sale items, and I suppose it makes sense. A lot of people have been buying stuff online, no one's been going into the shops, so the shops have all of this stock to clear out before the next season comes in and what have you. So there were loads of bargains to be had in store. Can't imagine what it would have been like if I'd gone in the first week that the shops were reopened. I'd left it a few weeks before going in, just because I was a little bit nervous about the whole thing. If you've already been out shopping, let me know down below what your experience was like, and if you are going to be going shopping, then be safe. So that was my first ever attempt at a shopping vlog. What did you think? Let me know. Would you like to see more stuff like this? No, obviously it's not the proper high-end stores like Louis and what have you, but I'm not brave enough to get on a train to go into London just yet. Be sure when I am, I will definitely be taking you with me. I especially want to know what you thought of the sunglasses. Tried on 5 pairs. Some were crazier than others, but let me know what you thought of those, because I really fancy a new pair of sunglasses. I tell you what, trying on those sunglasses with a mask on, not easy, not easy. Wearing actual glasses with a mask on, also not easy. I had to take them off walking around most of the shops because I was getting all fogged up underneath here. I was going to include my haul in this video as well, but it would just make it way too long. So my haul is going to come in my next video coming out on Thursday. Don't forget. But obviously if you've already subscribed and hit the notification bell, there's no way you will forget because you will be notified. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know. If there's anything you think I could have done better, then please also let me know in the comments section down below. So until I see you on Thursday's video, remember to look after yourself, be kind to yourself and others, because kindness does matter. Stay groovy, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!